Welcome back, developers. For this tutorial I will use Git and Git Large File Storage extension. With this extension, we can upload large files to the repository. And it's very important to use it in Unity projects, because we have 3D models, images, audios, and other binary files. Also, you can use a Git GUI client like GitHub Desktop, SourceTree, or Git Kraken. And I will provide you the links in the description below. Now let's create the repository. And clone it with GitHub Desktop. Locate your Unity project and copy it to the repository folder. Our commit is almost ready, but don't push it yet. We still need the .gitignore for Unity. In this repository, you can get a lot of gitignore files for any kind of project. We will be using the one made for Unity. Gitignore file tells Git which files to ignore when committing your project to the repository. Now let's create the gitignore at the root of our Unity project. Basically, this will ignore the generated files from Unity, dependencies that can be downloaded from a package manager, and builds. You may want to ignore files with API keys, credentials, or sensitive information too. As you can see, our commit is lighter now. But we still need to do something with our assets. Now you need to get the .git attributes file. As I mentioned before, with this you can upload large files to the repo. To be precise, this will replace large files with text pointers inside Git and store them in the Git LFS server. This will make your repo history lighter and save space for more future commits. The .git attributes file needs to be located at the root of our repo. As you can see, I am using the .egz Firebase packages in this project, so I will add this extension into my Git attributes file. If you need to integrate Firebase into your Unity project, you can watch my tutorial about it. Finally, we can push our commit. As always, I will leave you this project and the required links in the description below. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.